Well, this incident that was caught on camera in Madhya Pradesh will once again highlight the apathy that is towards the citizen of a state, the citizen of this country where our political class is concerned. On your television screen is this boy who is groveling at the feet of the Madhya Pradesh's Animal Husbandry Minister Kusum Mehdale. She's later seen kicking this boy after he begs her for some money. The entire incident was caught on camera. The minister was visiting Panna bus stand for a cleanliness drive when the incident took place. The youth who was kicked by the minister was also manhandled by her guards. Meanwhile, the opposition Congress has hit out at Shivraj Singh Chauhan's minister and demanded her ouster. I'd like to connect to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu. She's joining us in the newsroom for more details in the story. Kamal, we can see this young boy practically groveling at the feet of this minister from Madhya Pradesh. Any details that you have on this story? Who this boy was? What exactly happened? Because, of course, we can see the minister kicking this boy.
Well, definitely, this is a very sad story of an underprivileged child, and he was asking only for 1 rupee. And remember, even as the minister who was here for a media opportunity as far as Safai Abhiyan was concerned, or the Swachh Abhiyan was concerned, she obviously was very callous the way she actually put the feet on the foot on the boy's head, and obviously pushed him away even as he begged for money. The fact remains that she is also a woman and a minister at that, and this kind of apathy from a woman minister coming out at a point like this, where obviously she's surrounded by cameras, goes to show the sort of callousness the minister really has. Now obviously many are going for her head, demanding her resignation for this sort of apathy, but we haven't heard from the minister herself whether she wants to apologize for this entire event itself, but really truly agonizing to see the entire picture about this child who has approached the minister, and instead of showing some sort of sympathy or empathy for this boy, she kicks him.
Those visuals are quite clear, Kamal. Stay on with me because we're going to continue playing these visuals, and as Kamal is pointing out, the opposition, of course, using this as a political point, asking for the ouster of the minister. I am cutting across to Mr. Agarwal. He's from the Congress unit in Madhya Pradesh. The question, of course, now that you're asking, Mr. Agarwal, कि ये इस्तीफा दें.
देखिए, कानून मंत्री स्थापना दिवस जो मध्य प्रदेश का था, उस पर एक बच्चा उनसे 1 रुपए की भीख मांग रहा था, उसको लात मार दी. ऐसे जनप्रतिनिधि हैं मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर. मैं समझता हूँ कि मध्य प्रदेश की जनता का शर्म के मारे अपना सर झुक जाता है. ऐसे मंत्री के खिलाफ तो FIR लिखी जानी चाहिए, उसको गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए, और मुख्यमंत्री को चाहिए कि ऐसे मंत्री को लात मार करके बाहर निकाल दें मंत्रिमंडल से. ऐसे लोगों का मंत्रिमंडल में कोई स्थान नहीं होना चाहिए. जो बच्चों के साथ में इस तरीके का व्यवहार करते हैं, कानून मंत्री होते हुए इस तरीके का व्यवहार करें, मैं समझता हूँ कहीं से उचित नहीं है.
बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने का. Well, that was Manak Agarwal from Madhya Pradesh, the Congress unit of Madhya Pradesh. But there are questions that need to be answered, especially where the Madhya Pradesh government is concerned. Kamal, of course, this minister absolutely saying nothing at all. But any comments coming in right now from maybe the Madhya Pradesh BJP unit?
Well, we do expect a statement to come out shortly, but remember, nobody's going to really side with the minister on this. Leaders are supposed to be people who champion cause of the citizens. But here's a child who's approaching, and remember, he's a young child at that, a young man, and obviously the way he's approaching, the minister could have actually just asked that child to be aside instead of going about and kicking him on his head. She obviously touched him, touched her foot, and obviously kicked him aside, but this is simply not done. It's not acceptable. This is obviously a society which obviously talks about child rights.
All right, Kamal, stay on with me. Let's try and get in a few more reactions. We have Jaya Singh from Child Relief in You, CRY. She's joining us on the phone line. Jaya, these visuals are fairly heartbreaking. You see this young child, clearly, it seems he's a beggar. He's asking her for 1 rupee. That's what eyewitness accounts suggest. Practically growling at the feet of this minister, and she actually goes on to kick him. Does it show the wider mindset that there is today?
See, what I can say is that it's a real pity that a child is really going and begging. number one. It's the responsibility of the society and the state to see that children are not in a position that they have to beg for their living or for their day-to-day needs. So number one is that if the state government is not in a position to actually give the right entitlements to the child, then that itself is an agony and pain, a thing of agony and pain. And then after that, if somebody is coming to you and asking something, it's really ridiculous that somebody is kicking a child, and it's not really a solution that you kick a child, you abuse a child, or anybody does it. Or
but what kind of, Jaya, what kind of action can be taken? When you say that a child shouldn't be out on the roads, of course, we understand that no child in the world should be out on the roads, but somewhere down the line, that is a utopian concept. But if you look at it with where these are our people in power, and you can see this woman kick this young child on his head. All he's asking her for is 1 rupee.
Actually, when you see such children, you have to actually look for rescue and rehabilitation rather than just going on kicking them or just sitting down and doing something. Like if you are only sitting and discussing, that's also not good. All of us have responsibility to actually work for such children. And today it's a real need that there are the state government makes up or takes up pretty measures to actually rescue and rehabilitate such children and really pump in some resources and some strength and energy towards rescuing these children and towards making the atmosphere conducive and towards the livelihood of their families, because it's because of the larger poverty and the larger livelihood, lack of livelihood issues that children are actually bound to go out and do such activities. They don't have such systems in place.
Appreciate you joining us, Jaya. Rehabilitation, a far cry here, because what you see on your television screen, this is highly disturbing. The fact is, the Animal Husbandry Minister of Madhya Pradesh could have refused, could have maybe walked away. The fact that she thinks that it's okay to go ahead and kick this child on his head smacks of a strange, bizarre mindset that this minister holds. And what is that the Madhya Pradesh government is doing? Because there is no getting away from these visuals. We're going to keep trying to get reactions on this story. Kamaljeet is still with us, and as we are going live with these visuals, we're trying to connect to as many BJP leaders and a plausible explanation for what we are putting out there, because this is clearly none. We are not getting a reaction from any of the BJP leaders as well. Kamal, if you're still with me, earlier before we connected to Jaya from Child Relief in you were pointing out on how, not a single BJP minister would be able to come out and defend this. That apart, do you reckon any action would be taken on this minister? Do you have what are the antecedents of this minister? Who is she?
Animal Husbandry Minister. So remember, she's been out there, and the visuals clearly talk. You can clearly see she puts her black sandal on the head of the child and moves away. But what the pictures don't say is she walks away without any remorse. She walks right into her car. There's another another security guard or somebody with a minister who pushes the child away, keeps the child aside. The fact is, she doesn't even look back at what she's done. She feels no remorse. Little is known about her, but she is obviously a minister in Shivraj Chauhan's own ministry. And remember, coming at a point where there are cameras around, she understands very well that this is a big ticket as far as Safai Abhiyan and Swachh Abhiyan is concerned. This is the Modi's program. But what about your own etiquettes? How do you treat a child? So obviously, they're going to be hue and cry from child right activists, from human right activists, but the own minister and BJP leaders obviously now scrambling for cover. They obviously don't know how to really defend the indefensible.
Well, it is practically by all possible means the indefensible. And what we are going to do, Kamal, is we're going to keep trying to get reactions on this. Once again, we just want to play those visuals up. This is bizarre. What was this woman thinking? She is the Animal Husbandry Minister. She's a part of the state cabinet of Shivraj Singh, the Chief Minister of the state of Madhya Pradesh. This little child goes up to her. He's a beggar. He asks her for 1 rupee, and then he's practically seen groveling at her feet. She could have walked away if she didn't want to give him that rupee. She could have walked past him. But she didn't choose to do so. She actually went ahead and kicked this child on his head and then got into her car and went off. We're going to keep trying to get reactions on that story. Kamal, appreciate you joining us.